Hello everyone, welcome to Java tutorials. This is chapter number 2. The topic we are going to cover today is Java environment setup. Well, in the previous tutorial we have discussed the online website at compiljava.net, from where you can run Java codes. Java programming environment is set up in that website, so you can compile and execute all the available examples online. It gives you confidence in what you are reading and enables you to verify programs with different options. Feel free to modify any example and execute it online. Local environment setup. If you are willing to set up your own environment for Java programming language, then this section guides you on how to download and set up Java on your machine. Following are the steps to set up the environment. Java SE is freely available from the link provided in the documentation. To download, you can download a version based on your operating system. Follow the instructions to download Java and run the .exe to install Java on your machine. Once you install Java on your machine, you will need to set environment variables to point the current installation directories. Just type in download Java. Well, that's the website we're looking for, java.com, and you can download Java from here. So yes, once after you have downloaded and installed Java, the second step is setting up the path for Windows. Assuming you have installed Java in C drive program files folder to Java JDK directory, right click on my computer and select properties. Let's try that. Go to my computer, right click and click on properties. Click the environment variables button under the advanced tab. You'll find that here, advanced system settings, environment variables. Now alter the path variable so that it also contains the path to Java executable. Example, if the path is currently set to C Windows System32, then change your path to read C Windows System32 semicolon to C program files Java JDK bin. Find the variable path, and somewhere here you need to put the semicolon and then place the Java path over here. Well, that's for the Windows version. If you have a Linux installed, and the setting path for Linux is environment variable path should be set to point to where Java binaries have been installed. Refer to your shell documentation if you have trouble doing this. For example, if you hash bash as your shell, then you would add the following line, the end of your bash. Export path equals path to Java path variable. Let's discuss some of the popular Java editors. To write your Java programs, you will need a text editor. There are even more sophisticated IDEs available in the market, but for now you can consider one of the following. Notepad. On Windows machine, you can use any simple text editor like Notepad. Recommended for this tutorial, the TextPad. The second comes NetBeans. a Java IDE that is open source and free, which can be downloaded from www.netbeans.org. Eclipse, a Java IDE developed by the Eclipse open source community and can be downloaded from www.eclipse.org. Well, thank you. In this tutorial, we have discussed how to download Java and how to set the local environment path for Windows, for Linux, and some popular Java editors from where you can write the Java codes and edit them. Well, that's all for tutorial. We hope you enjoyed and liked our video. We'll get back with more tutorials on Java. Thank you.